In this video, I am going to teach you how to deposit and withdraw money from Binance. This is going to be a very simple tutorial, and I assure you by the end of this video, you will be able to deposit and withdraw money by yourself. So, as you guys already know that Binance is an international crypto trading exchange, which means across the globe internationally everyone is trading here. Now, as it is an international platform, your national currency doesn't work here. For example, if you live in Dubai, India or Pakistan, then using dirhams, Pakistani rupee या Indian rupee, you can't trade here directly. Firstly, you have to convert your national currency into a stable currency. And the most stable currency in Binance is USDT, which is used by everyone. In simple words, you need to convert your dirhams, Pakistani rupee or INR into USDTs first. So let me tell you how you will deposit your money on Binance. Once you open the Binance application, on the extreme right side you will see an option. After clicking on add funds, you will see 4 options. Make sure you choose your country's currency from here. For example, AED or PKR. Right now I am using INR here to show you. Now, very first option here is buy with P2P, which is peer-to-peer. This method often seems very complicated to everyone, but let me simplify this for you. Peer-to-peer basically means you directly exchange money from someone without taking help of any kind of middlemen like banks or any other kind of institutions, but you are directly giving, taking and exchanging money from someone on the basis of trust. And Binance here is completely acting as a platform only. So after clicking buy on P2P, you will see a number of verified sellers here. Now these sellers will give you USDTs in exchange of Indian rupees. You need to type your amount here. For example, I am purchasing 1000 rupees worth USDTs. Now out of so many sellers here on Binance platform, you need to select that verified seller whose payments are successful by over 95%, and that particular seller has more than 1000 trades. By using filter, you can also check out the verified merchants here, which are basically verified by Binance themselves. Doing this will help you eliminate any kind of scam situations. Now after filling the amount, you can place your orders. The order has been created. Now you can use this chat option and talk to that seller, and now you need to go to payment details. You can see the seller's details here, and now you have a 15 minutes timer here. Under this time frame only you need to make the payment to the seller, otherwise this order will get cancelled by Binance. So I am here opening the QR of the seller and paying them 1000 rupees using that QR code directly. I am using digital e-rupee here, which is the safest method here. Once I pay that 1000 rupees amount to that seller, in just few minutes I will get my USDTs in my Binance account. Now there is another way you can use. Now go to add funds again and use second option buy with INR or your national currency. Now type the amount again and preview the order here. Now you can see you have so many options in front of you. Like here I am using Lightning UPI payment method, and then click on confirm and place the order. And once again the seller's information is visible on screen. As I am using the Lightning UPI, I can see seller's QR code here. I will save this QR code on my gallery, and using my UPI application, I will pay 1000 rupees to the seller using his QR code. And within few minutes, your USDTs will be deposited into your Binance account. I hope you completely understand how you can deposit money on your Binance account. If you are still confused, you can replay the video. Now, I will teach you how you can withdraw money from Binance. In other words, how you can convert your USDTs into your national currency. So you need to go to extreme right hand side on assets here, and you can clearly see a withdraw option here. Now click on P2P trading once again. Clicking on P2P once again will show you number of buyers here. The old same process is going to be applied here. I will select a verified buyer here based on previous conditions we talked about. Enter my amount here and finally place the order. Now I opened that chat and the buyer is asking me for my QR code. So here in the chat I will share my QR code to that buyer, and now I have to wait until the money comes into my bank account. Once I received the payment from the buyer, after then only I will release my USDTs from my Binance account. And congratulations, you have sold 1000 rupees worth of USDTs. I'm sure you have learned how to deposit and withdraw money from Binance.